Yeah, yeah. Keep your head singing tunes. Yeah.
This DJ's playing over here. Where'd he go? I gotta get back.
I like to live my life, live my life, live my life. I like to live my life, live my life, live my life. I like to live my life, live my life, live my life. I like to live my life falling down to get up. I like to take a chance cause I'm ready for change. Genie in a lamp could grant this wish rearrange the way the world is but not the way it made me. Damn it all, either way I'd still be crazy and the only one. I could have some fun, not forget the wish the way it is way more fun. I could run with a gun and blast a random direction, but do it in the field and hope that makes a connection with the demons I be seeing. Some of you don't believe it, it's okay, just do you. There's no need for the preaching. I live my life as a helpful hand, you probably understand. I'm not the man they wanted, but I do what I can. I like to chill with friends. Everybody needs a life. I need to vent somehow to forget my strife. Alright, I'll admit it. I like to smoke weed. It's what I like to do, man. It's not what I need. But know that I won't stop. I'll continue. I'll proceed. Seems to be to me. You see, I am something to believe. Inevitable I am. Mr. Psych is who I am. Take my chance to break the mic. Oh, he's amazing. Damn. I like to live my life. Live my life. Live my life. I like to live my life. Live my life. Live my life. I like to live my life. Live my life. Live my life. I like to live my life. Falling down to get up. You think I'm tripping, but I am keeping my balance. I cannot fall, always flying as if it is a talent. I live my life, but why? Well, cause it makes sense, like a change in the weather that your body can sense. Since the day I was born, I was meant for the music. Thanks to my brother and friends, I am further into it. Intuition runs my lyrics, I just speak how I feel. Take a chance to vent to you about how much I like to kill. Sounds crazy to you, that's cause you just don't understand. If you reach out for help, I'd be the one to take your hand. Complex when I wreck, just me trying to take the next step. Let's test, that's death. I think I passed the test yet, what not yet? Well, it's worth another try. Either way, I'm gonna be rapping. Even in the afterlife, I cannot die. I am eternal, and yes, that's the truth. I question eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. You or you and I and me, hey, what else can we do? Run along the right path and it helps me stay true. Grab the pen and pad, I think and start to write. I am gonna live it right, that's why music is my life. I like to live my life, live my life, live my life. I like to live my life, live my life, live my life. I like to live my life, live my life, live my life. I like to live my life falling down to get up.
This is just cool.
They don't get a chance.
These little guys are
live a
fast.
different life, but who does need some fantasies consume? If they do, then you're doomed. I'm in a room full of flowers. Beauty is like a hidden power. Most of you power from the real world and get devoured. That's for me. I'm taking things slow. I'll be good in no time. Pass it out my spirit grow. Then I'll be sure to let the good times roll. With and without highs, let's fly, let's roll. Accept my innocence, cause innocence, I'm not in the wrong. This is my place to be, yes, so that's where do I belong. I like to rap, it isn't whack. You say that you hating, at least I'm doing something with the music I'm creating. It is a fact, I want you to listen. I can teach the truth, it's what you've been missing. My father sent me, now I'm on a mission. You will seek the truth when my name is mentioned. Nobody has the right to tell me I'm wrong. Just taking my beliefs and putting them in a song. If you believe the same, then I should get to the beat. You said you seek the truth. Follow your heart to its beats. Nobody has the right to tell me I'm wrong. Just taking my beliefs and putting them in a song. If you believe the same, then nod your head to the beat. You said you seek the truth, follow your heart to its beats. I'm simply just me, you're simply just you. Druggies, killers, wannabes, continue doing you. I will not judge. Who am I to complain? Who am I to judge a life when mine hasn't been tamed? Within a different mind frame than all of humanity. You can call me crazy, but I don't question my sanity. See it best to accept what I can get in life. Do my best to progress and put less stress in life. I feel that it's right, cause my heart says so. Take a walk with me, I'll lead. Come on, let's go. Not much to say, I just wanna make things right. Gonna put it to a song, now grab a pen and write. It is a fact, I want you to listen. I can teach the truth, it's what you've been missing. My father sent me, now I'm on a mission. You will seek the truth when my name is mentioned. Nobody has the right to tell me I'm wrong. Just taking my beliefs and putting them in a song. If you believe the same, then nod your head to the beat. You said you seek the truth, follow your heart to its beats. Nobody has the right to tell me I'm wrong. Just taking my beliefs and putting them in a song. If you believe the same, then nod your head to the beat. You said you seek the truth, follow your heart to its beats.
That sounds cool. Oh, look, he stopped.
You said you seek the truth, follow your heart's whispers.
He sees me. Or she. Oh, I was wondering if they were out here. Now I know.
Yeah. Yeah. Keep your head singing tunes. Yeah. Yeah.
King of this guy.
Yeah. 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 Keep your head singing tunes. Yeah. 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 Keep your head singing. I feel so anxious daily.
Real
Maybe
nice
I should
focus.
take a stroll. Look for that bridge. I need to burn. Refuse to pay the toll. I'm on a roll like that's a fumble. Mumble words until I'm humbled. Been a while since I've stumbled over, falling, crawling, clawing, trying to get back up. You're way too close. These words I spit may just pause and overdose. 'Cause it's lost his